forgotten recipe that was a hit in the 80s and 90s. In a large bowl, start by adding 250 milliliters of natural yogurt, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and mix until combined. Then add 20 milliliters of vegetable oil, 450 grams of wheat flour, and mix again until incorporated. When you can no longer mix with the spoon, knead by hand until a smooth and uniform dough forms. This is the right consistency. Let the dough rest for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, in a food processor, add 1 onion cut into smaller pieces, 2 garlic cloves, and process everything very well. This is the right point. Now, transfer to a large bowl. Add 300 grams of ground beef, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and mix until incorporated. Once the dough has rested, transfer it to a floured countertop and split it into 10 equal parts. Get one and shape it into a ball, just like this. Repeat this process with all the dough parts. Now, get one of them and roll it out with a rolling pin. Add a tablespoon of the meat we prepared. Close it by shaping it into a bun and press the edges together. Repeat this process with all the dough. After doing this, in a large skillet over medium heat, add enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom. And when the oil is hot enough, add the buns we prepared and fry them until golden on both sides. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it.